Happy Canteen Cup Tuesday, everybody. Sort of. There's the rig. It's not going to be a selection today. This is kind of saying, hey, I'm still here. You know, you haven't seen too much from me lately because about 3 weeks ago I left a job that was paying not too good. Left it for a better paying job, you know, promise of a lot of good stuff. I get 3 weeks into it last Friday and I find out that the owner of the company is a gigantic meth head, you know, and nobody gets paid and everything else. So I had to walk out from that. Put me in a pretty big financial hole, but you know, I've been there before. I really have, you know, and I'll come back from it. Spider web on my face. I'll come back from it, but not too good of a time. The old Florida boy's having a bit of a rough patch, but you know, I just want to say thanks to all of my subscribers for sticking with my channel. I keep continuing to gain subscribers, although I don't know how. You know, I haven't done any videos in the last, God, seems like forever, but about the last month. The last video was say hello to my little friend, and the owner of the company that I just left last weekend almost got a visit from me and my little friend. It was real close, but that would have just landed me in jail, and then I could have done videos about other stuff. But pretty much of a tough situation. You know, got myself in a big financial hole now. Not very happy, kind of depressed. I still got my Canteen rig. Still got my Canteen Cup rig though. That's never gonna screw me. But I'll be alright. I just want to say thanks to all my subscribers for sticking with my channel. I get out of this little funk that I'm in, you know, and kind of reinvent myself on a professional and work basis. I'll be back to doing more videos. I'll get out in the woods. You know, it's 83 degrees here today. I got shorts and a t-shirt on. You know, it's everything's all green. Everything will be all right. I might do I might start with doing another live from my garage on Thursday. You never know. So that's where I've been lately. You know, meth is a bad thing. I don't do that shit. You know, I might have a few drinks now and then, but I don't have a problem with it. But evidently that shit is just unbelievably bad. I just have nothing more to say about that other than hit a rough patch in the road. The old Florida boy has hit a rough patch in the road, but I'll be back. I want to thank everybody for the support on my channel, and I want to thank everybody for the comments asking if I was okay, and the private messages asking if I was okay. You know, I got a little channel. I'm not the 500,000 subscriber guys that do it for a business. I don't do this for a business. I do it because I like it, and I like doing stuff. But I'll be back. I just want to thank everybody for sticking with me and sticking with the old Florida boy and watching my videos. So, that being said, that's where I've been the last month or so. Thought it was going to be a good thing, but it turned out to be a train wreck. Literally flaming train wreck at the bottom of the gorge. But that's where I've been. So I'll be back. Thanks everybody for sticking with me. And until next time, this is Matt, the old Florida boy, saying, I will see you on the trail.